Yo, today we're doing a loyalty test on a Somali girl. Let's go, man. Let's go. Donnie has me up. He's like, I need a loyalty test. I don't use Insta, but my girl does. I want to see if she's cheating. I'm like, yeah, bro, that's a $5. This is the last time I'm charging a $5, by the way. Prices are going up to £6. He sends the $5. Then I'm like, what's the at and where's she from? He sends me the at, but then it says, cannot find user. You'll see why in a minute. She's 20, Somali from Minnesota. Yo, since when did American Somalis exist? I had no idea. Say you saw her at campus. She don't go out like that and she's low-key. So you know what I had to do, man? I went straight down to business. So I requested and followed her, yeah? And she popped up fast, bro. How you gonna pop up fast? I know I'm fat in it, but yo, usually I'm the one that's texting for. She's like, do I know you? I'm like, no, but you came up on my suggestion. Thought you looked nice. She's like, oh, where you from? I'm like, I'm from Minnesota. What about you? I feel like I recognize you. I was lying, man. She's like, same. Then she asked, do you go to the University of Minnesota? Well, I'm thinking that's what I said. I'm like, yeah, I must have saw you on campus. What's your major? For the people that don't live in America, major means like what subject you study. She says ITI. What's ITI? How about you? I feel like I'd recognize you if I saw you. This Somali girl's eyeing me up, man. Can't blame her though. I'm fading it. I'm like, I study computer science. I was lying, man. Then I'm like, come see me sometime. I'd love to get to know you more. I don't really, man. I really don't. She's like, you gonna take me or I don't settle for little dates. Yo, this is diabolical, bro. This is beyond fail, bro. Yo, she's acting like she don't even have a man. I'm like, what kind of date you want? I just sent Donnie the screenshot saying you're cooked, bro. He's like, bro, fuck. Ask if you're single. Bro, I know I'm single and why do I have to ask myself? Back to the chat, yeah? She's like, the energy I need. Then she's saying like, you need to plan the date, whatever. So I was like, just want to make sure you're single, yeah? This is, bro, every day, bro. Now I'm kind of in a situation. He treats me well and I do love him, but I'm just not that attracted to him. Yo, why did you get with him in the first place? Yo, poor Donnie, man. Bro, poor guy, bro. I said Donnie the screenshot and he's like, bro, what the fuck? After everything I did for her, all those dates I was planning on marrying her. I'm like, I'm sorry that you had to witness that, man. That shit tough. He's like, nah, man, I know she still loves me for you. Bro, are you daft? You're not serious, bro. I'm like, how can you be so sure if she's gonna chat to some next guy like that? He's like, it's okay, bro. I know her so well. She just likes a little attention. I'll get her some gifts and take her on a date and apologize for not treating her better. Why are you apologizing? What the fuck, bro? Nah, yo, I'm speechless, man. I don't know what to say. I'm like, nah, you're doing it all wrong, man. She ain't even attracted to you. She's using you at that point. At this point, I meant, sorry. You need to understand. He's like, but bro, that's the only girl I see myself with. I need her. Someone needs to tell this guy, man. Like, she's gonna leave you for another man. What don't you get? You're gonna be even more hot in the future. But I guess you do you, bro. I'm just giving you advice. He's like, thanks for the advice, man. But you don't know her. I just got to step up better. Even if you step up, bro, it's not gonna make you more attractive. But I guess that's a you problem, whatever. If you want your girl or guy tested, because I have a decoy, send that Instagram to my Instagram in the caption below. You know how it goes, man. If you did not know, get to know, bro.